Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Familiarize yourself with the cabin and controls before driving. Adjust the seat, tilt the steering column, and set mirrors for full visibility. Use the push-button start while holding the key fob inside the cabin to start or stop the engine. Set cabin temperature and fan with dual-zone climate controls and use auto for steady comfort. Connect phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto using a USB-C cable to mirror navigation and audio. Learn to operate the rotary infotainment knob, volume, and quick access buttons for safer, single-handed control while on the road. Before departure, verify recommended tire pressure and load limits. Maintain tire pressure at 35 psi front and rear for ride comfort and fuel economy. Fill with regular 87-octane fuel unless the manufacturer specifies higher for your engine, and monitor the fuel warning light to avoid running out. Use adaptive cruise control and eye ActiveSense aids like blind spot monitoring and lane keep assist for relaxed highway driving. Use brake hold and the electronic parking brake on slopes to secure the vehicle when stopped, and practice engaging and releasing each system in a safe lot. Follow a simple maintenance schedule to keep the Mazda CX-5 reliable. Change engine oil and synthetic filter every 500 miles to protect the turbo and engine, and inspect brake pads and fluid annually. Rotate tires every 500 miles and check for uneven wear to maintain traction and extend tread life. Replace tires when tread reaches 2/32 inch. Stow the jack and repair kit under the cargo floor. Cargo capacity is 39 ft with seats up, and fold rear seats flat for larger loads, securing items with tie-downs to prevent shifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.